Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaras. In this next video, we'll be installing the Windows ADK and WinPE add-ons, and we'll also be updating them. So the first thing first was we're going to install our required Windows features for MCM. So I'm going to grab from the end of line 6 up to line 4. We're going to open up our terminal from the taskbar and paste those in. I'm going to give that a little while to install, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. And although it says no restart is needed, believe me, I've seen this 100 times where it says that, but then you get knee deep into something and you realize you needed a restart. So I'm going to restart now, and we'll come back and get started on the installs of the ADK and WinPE add-on. Okay, and here we are. Let's log in, Control-Alt-Insert. There we go. We're going to give that a good 2 minutes. So timeout T-minus 120. Okay, let that load, and I'll be back as soon as that's ready. And 3, 2, 1, and we're good to go there. All right, so double click this PC. We're going to browse to our H-Share, Windows ADK, go to the ADK folder, and double click the ADK setup. Okay, we're going to click Next. No to allow Microsoft to collect insight for the Windows kits. Next. Accept. I'm going to uncheck Configuration Designer, Windows Performance Toolkit, Microsoft User Experience, Virtualization, and Supply Chain Trust. We only want deployment tools and the user state migration tool. So click Install, and I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, that one's installed. Click Close. We're going to browse now to the Windows PE folder, ADK WinPE setup. Next, no, next, accept, install, and I'll come back when that one's done. Okay, and that was easy enough. So close, then close File Explorer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to update our Windows PE add-on for the Windows ADK. This one shows you how to do it, and I've distilled all that knowledge into what we're going to do here in a moment, okay? So, first things first, open up our terminal from the taskbar. We're going to create a backup of our WIM, okay, which is in our Program Files x86, Windows Kits 10 Assessment and Deployment Kit, Windows Pre-Installation Environment, AMD 6.4, EN, US, and it's the WinPE WIM, okay? So we're going to copy that to this WIM backup folder, so we make a working copy of that, okay? Give that a few moments, and we're good to go there. I'm going to click on Start, All. I'm going to go all the way down to Windows Kits, and right-click on Deployment and Imaging Tool Environment, pin to Start, click the task desktop, and I'm going to click Start. I'm going to right-click on that Deployment and Imaging Tools, Run as Administrator. And now we're going to copy from line 73 all the way down to the end of 101. And you'll see that we have our MSU files here, the 5043080 and 5053656. Just remember, if you're seeing this in the future, this one will probably stay the same, but you'll want to change the name of this one if you're seeing this after Microsoft Patch Tuesday, okay? It's going to mount that, install this, then unmount, remount, install this one, clean up the image, and then unmount and copy that working copy to the original location. Then we'll remove our mount, temp, and working folders, okay? So copy that here, paste, and it's mounting, and I'll come back when that's ready to go. And that's pretty much it for video 11. Everything is completed successfully. We're good to go there. I'm going to press exit, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video.